Take a ride in 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, engine immobilizer, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, ashtray, first aid kit, leather-wrapped steering wheel, smart device integration, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.